Looking for the ultimate way to keep your drinks ice cold all day? Meet the Stanley Adventure Quencher Travel Tumbler 40 ounces. Nothing's worse than a lukewarm beverage. But with its legendary double-wall vacuum insulation, this tumbler promises 11+ hours of frosty refreshment. Imagine sipping perfectly chilled water through its comfortable reusable straw, even after leaving it in a hot car. This thoughtful design also features an ergonomic comfort grip handle, making it your perfect everyday carry, effortlessly fitting into standard car cup holders. No more struggling with oversized bottles. This Stanley Quencher is built for life on the go, from commutes to adventures. It's not just a tumbler. It's an essential hydration companion that combines robust durability with unmatched convenience. Forget flimsy alternatives. This Stanley Travel Tumbler is a premium investment for anyone prioritizing consistent cold drinks and ease of use. Ready to experience the difference? Click the Amazon link in the description to get your Stanley Adventure Quencher today. Seriously, for the best kitchen upgrade and hydration solution in 2025, this Stanley is an absolute must-have.